I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your car's high beams. These powerful lights are designed to give you the best possible visibility when driving in extremely dark environments. They project light much further than your regular low beams, allowing you to spot potential hazards or obstacles from a greater distance. Understanding their proper use is crucial for both your safety and the safety of others on the road. Let's dive into when and how to use them effectively. High beams are most effective in specific situations. You should engage them only on roads that lack streetlights and when there are no other vehicles ahead of you or approaching from the opposite direction. This typically includes rural highways or country roads at night. Using them when traveling above 25 miles per hour can significantly enhance your ability to see far ahead, giving you more time to react to unexpected situations. While beneficial, there are critical times when high beams must be turned off. It is imperative to dim your lights when you see an oncoming vehicle or when you are following another car within approximately 500 feet. Additionally, avoid using them in urban areas with ample street lighting or during conditions such as heavy rain, snow, or fog, as the light can reflect back and worsen visibility for everyone. Activating your high beams is usually a straightforward process. Most vehicles have a control stalk on the left side of the steering wheel. You typically push this stalk away from you to turn the high beams on and pull it back towards you to turn them off. A distinct blue light will illuminate on your dashboard, serving as a clear visual reminder that your high beams are currently engaged. Remember to always be mindful of other drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.